Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be updating you on what is happening on Tome and the new features that has come to stay. If you're really interested in my videos, kindly subscribe, click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. As usual, my name is Nas and I make tutorial video on software productivity tools that will help you increase your productivity in your work. Okay, so now I'm on Tome, and if you have an account, you're just going to sign in. If you don't have an account, you go to try. If you don't have an account, look in the description box below to have access to my referral so that you can also benefit from it. Yes, so straightforward, I'm going to Tome, and then yes, you will have a page like this if you have an account. So if you don't have an account, I have made a lot of videos on Tome that you can have access to and then watch and then start building your own. Yes, so first of all, Tome has made an update to templates. So now you can have a fundraising pitch deck, and then a sales pitch deck, and then this one that is resume. So you can show your resume on Tome. Yes, so that is it. So that is the first update. The second update is let me go here, create, and then the second update is about the image. So you can now upload image, you can now create images, and also search images from online. So let me start. So I'll create an image of a man standing in front of audience lecturing. So I want to create an image of this, a man standing in front of audience lecturing. Yes, so that is what I want to create. Let's see what it generates for us. Yes, precisely what I expected. So let's see. Exactly. So this AI is very powerful. Wow, that is great. This is all AI. Yes, so whichever you want, then you choose it. It works miraculously. Yes, the next one is the image that you can actually search from online. So let's see how it works. So you want to search from online. So these are the images available online. You can search for an image, the same image from online. A man lecturing. So let's see the image it generates for us. Yes, so you can also search from online the images that you want. So this is what it generates for. There are a lot of them. Yeah, I think this is precisely what. Yes, so you can generate any of them and then it works also fine. Yes, so that is what has been happening on Tome, and this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you like it. Kindly subscribe, click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let me know what you think about these features, and see you in the next one.